What's poppin', diva gang? How are y'all doing today? Today we're gonna be making these cherry themed junk nails. I couldn't end Vlaugust, excuse me, without one more set of junk nails because you guys just love them so much. I did go ahead and plan these nails out in my little black nail book. My review for that may or may not be up by now. Y'all know I be pre-filming, so I say that a lot. But if it is, I will have it linked in the cards. If not, just stay tuned. It's coming soon. But yeah, you guys, I want to say so many positive things about this book right now, but I'm just gonna let y'all wait and watch for the review. But it did help me a lot planning out this design, and I chose to do cherry themed junk nails specifically because cherry themed anything is really in right now. I had an idea for Vlaugust. I didn't get to do it, but it was like wearing cherry themed clothes for like a whole week long. I may go ahead and do that like next spring, so comment below if that would be something you would be interested in, because it sounds like a lot of fun, right? It sounds like it could be a whole lot of fun. So yeah, these are all like my own original ideas. And ooh, here we go with the burping. We got some bling, we got some multicolor ombres, we got some glitter, we got some hand painted art. Okay, I did a hand painted art video not long ago for Vlaugust, so I'll have that linked in the cards. Make sure you check that out. But I'm really proud of how my hand painted art for this video came out. But yeah, so I'm going in and I'm doing my base at this point. Just getting all of my base colors on the nails. I really like to work that way instead of doing one nail at a time, because it's a lot more efficient and it allows me to kind of visualize things a little bit more. So this is what we're working with at this moment. I flipped that nail over because it's going to be kind of like a glitter ombre tip, and I've done this in a couple of other videos before, so, or actually it might just be one video, but I'll link the video where I use that same technique to do this. And I like to do this because it allows me to not have to do like all the filing or whatever, and it just gives the nail a nice smooth surface and just gives me an easier way to do like a look that might be hard to do otherwise if I were trying to do it with like acrylic or something. So that's a little tip for you. If you own an airbrush and you want to try this technique, go ahead and try it out. It's a lot like if you were to do something like the Femi Beauty or Lazy Girl method, just with gel polish. So yeah, if you want me to do a more detailed video on that, let me know. But I went ahead and I'm doing my tricolor ombre on these fingers here, and I tried to keep some organization with these nails, but at the same time, there's no rhyme or reason as to how or why things are organized the way they are. I just wanted to keep everything like red, cherry themed, real like delicious looking. So that's the reason why a lot of stuff looks the way that it does. But this nail in particular kind of gave me a hard time. My mixture for my airbrush was a little off, so it took me a couple of tries, but I did eventually get it together. And this is what we're working with so far. The base is starting to come along a little bit better. And at this point, I decided to go ahead and get all the hand painted nail art all the way. So these are the 4 colors that I'm going to be using. And I'm going to be painting on a delicious looking, well, 2 delicious looking cherries onto this milky white nail. And I have to say that these cherries came out so freaking cute. I want to do like something else like this, but maybe on one hand I do like cherries, and on the other hand I do like strawberries. I'm so mad. I feel like I missed so many opportunities, like nail design opportunities with this summer and like Vlaugust, but I just had too many ideas and it was hard like organizing and prioritizing them. But yeah, this nail came out. This might be my favorite nail in this set, which is like kind of unheard of for me because there's no bling. This might actually be my favorite nail though. I'm super proud of the way that these cherries came out, and I'm super proud of my progression with hand painted nail art. I remember being so against hand painted nail art and feeling like nobody should do it unless it comes out perfect, and I still kind of feel that way, to be honest. I mean, you know, I know I know mine is not perfect. I know that there's always room for improvement, but it looks decent to me, you know what I'm saying? Like, it kind of, in my opinion, looks like a professional did it. And you know, nobody has to listen to me because who the hell am I? But in my personal opinion, I just feel like hand painted nail art is one of those things where if it doesn't look right, it just messes up the whole set, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's just my personal opinion though. Obviously you can do whatever you want, but that's just how I feel. On this other thumbnail, I decided to do like a swirly whirly kind of funky design. And I remember the days when I had to do this with a dotting tool because I didn't really have control over my brush, but it actually came out really, really good with the nail art brush. So comment below and let me know if which nail is your favorite, and also comment below if this is a set that you would like to purchase, because I'm seriously thinking about putting these up on my Etsy page once it's up and running. So comment below if you like these nails, if you'd like to purchase them and have them for yourself, because I'll seriously consider putting these nails up on my Etsy page. So yeah, I'm just going in, I'm adding some gold accents to that swirly nail because that's kind of the theme, like cherries and gold and just real like what is this aesthetic? What would you call it? I don't know. But it's really, really juicy and cute looking and really, really like just in your face, and definitely gonna get you some questions asked. So yeah, I think this is a middle finger nail that I'm doing right here. It's the only French nail in the set. If you haven't seen my video all about like hand painted French, I will link that in the cards and you can watch it. It has some really, really helpful tips for not only beginners, but you know, if you're a little rusty with your hand painted French tips and you just want kind of like a little refresher, you want to know how I do my hand painted tips, things that helped me when I was still kind of learning how to do them. At this point, I'm kind of just perfecting them and always trying to make them look better. But when I was just trying to learn how to do them, the stuff in that video is what helped me. But yeah, I went ahead and I painted a coat of Peachy from the Femi Beauty collection over top of that middle finger tricolor ombre nail. And then I put some red glitter on top of the ombre nail. And now I'm going in and I'm doing some top coat on this nail here because it's gonna be one of the bling nails. I'm just using some really, really small AB stones. These might be SS6. And I'm just using those to outline one of the swirly kind of lines. I really, really love when I see people do this. I kind of want to do like a whole set just like this nail right here. Maybe when like Christmas comes around or something. I feel like this would be a really, really cute style. And put it up on my Etsy and on my website as well. So comment below if you could see that, if you could see the vision, if you're digging it. Yeah, but at this point I'm going in and I'm adding kind of sort of all the finishing touches. I'm adding these little cherry blings that I got off Amazon. You guys see my little organizer? Isn't it cute? I got it from Dollar Tree, but I have like a bunch of these things. I need to get more, to be honest, but I'm adding all the bling at this point. For some reason this middle fingernail was like one of the hardest to do because I always have a problem with like positioning things sometimes, but I did get it together. And that thumbnail where I did like the glitter ombre, I wanted to make that like a cluster bling, but I kind of just forgot. I'm kind of in a rush doing these nails, trying to get this content done because I have somewhere to be in a little while. And yeah, this is the elaborate bling nail, and this bling came out really, really cute. Okay, it came out really, really cute. I wasn't expecting it to be as cute as it was, but it did actually come out really, really cute. I used this red bling to do like another Sailor Moon inspired look a while back on my channel. I'll link that in the cards if I can, if you want to see it. But that's kind of why I just have this bling at my disposal, because I used it to do another look sometime last year. But yeah, this elaborate bling nail came out really, really nice. I'm adding a cherry charm and I'm also adding some caviar beads just to add to the gold aesthetic of these nails. So yeah, I want to do like more elaborate bling kind of videos because it's such a vibe, and it is actually kind of relaxing to do if you kind of plan it out a little bit and then, you know, get it done. But yeah, now I'm going in. Oh my gosh. I'm doing some kind of sideways cuticle bling on this all red nail, and what I did was paint on my McCart rhinestone glue, the squeezy glue. I painted one layer of that on, and I put some top coat over it so I wouldn't have to worry about top coating the nail once I was done applying my bling. And one thing that I will say is Wow, I forgot what I was gonna say. Definitely forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, now I know. My freaking McCart glue like popped open, like the top broke off and started squeezing out everywhere, and I'm really upset about it because there's a whole lot of product in there, so I don't want to buy a new one. But that is pretty inconvenient, right? That's really annoying. But anywho, at this point I'm going ahead and I'm adding top coat to all the nails that I haven't top coated already, because I'm pretty much done. I just have like one last thing to do, but I'm adding my Jofay fashion top coat. That's Jofay fashion top coat that I got from Amazon. I love this top coat. It's so juicy looking. It keeps your designs looking nice for such a long time. But now I'm just adding this last little dangle bling. I used these cherry charms in another junk nail video, but this is the final result, you guys. What do you think? It actually came out a lot better than I expected it to, and I'm really gonna credit that to the little black nail book and being able to actually plan out the design before doing it. Sometimes when I do these junk nail sets, the vision doesn't always come all the way together because I have so many different things that I want to do on these actual nails. But I actually think that this came out really great. I love like the color story. I love everything about it. So comment below if you guys love it too. If you're still here, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give my video a like so it can get recommended to more divas like you, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can be part of the diva gang, and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. We do everything from polygel to press-ons to vlogs, makeup. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I love you so much, Diva Gang, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Mwah.